Hello, this is Bryce over at NWA Mobility, and we've got another van. It's been a while since we've had one because the weather's been cold in our shop, so we couldn't do a lot of painting and stuff. But we just got this one out. Got a nice sunny day out here today, so we're gonna walk around this one. Not gonna do a real long video on it because this is a 2005 Dodge Caravan. Just a basic model, and I'm gonna tell you a little bit about it here. First off, van came from Oklahoma again, and this particular one had writing on it that said general public, and it was not done with decals, it was done with a stencil. So we've had to take this van, put it in the shop, and we just got it out the other day. We've had to paint it, which I didn't really want to have to get into, but we had to get all that decals or that stencil off of it. So anyway, I want to tell you a little bit about what we did to it, because the top had its clear coat and everything looking real bad. We went and we put what is called Rhino coat or bed liner on the top. So now then, it was easier to do that to try to paint the whole top of the car. And it really looks good. If you take a look at it, it has this black texture to it, which you might be able to see. I'm hoping you can, because I got the sun in my eyes today. It is a bright day today. But you see that top up there, that is a Rhino coat top on it, black. And so the one good thing about it is that you don't have to worry about hail damage. You don't have to worry about leaks, because Rhino coat is what we're been using. Then you take a look at my buses here. This is what we're doing with our buses too. We're going to be taking Rhino coat in white, of course. Well, you can get this in different colors. And we're going to be painting these tops on these buses to keep them from leaking. A brand new idea. It's better than this Flexi Seal and all this kind of stuff that you really get into a lot of work with. So if you've got something, if you happen to be watching this video and you're in Springdale, Arkansas, and you've got something that you've got that needs a new bed liner, or you want some bed liner spray on a car, we can show you what we've done to a few of ours. And really, it makes a real big difference on these cars. Only thing I can find really wrong with this car, and I'm going to show it to you right now, is on the driver's side down here. You see that's missing part of its flare. Ground effects. This car is not, the company that makes this car is not in business anymore. So if you want to change this out, it can be changed out, but it's going to have to be done with a totally different flare that's available out there in the marketplace today, or just leave it the way it is. If we could find one that was used on a car, we try to do that. Right now we just can't find any at this particular point. It's even hard to find a really good ADA van, which like this one is right now. See if I can get in here and look at the mileage on it. I'll show you the mileage on this van. Usually when I open the door, it'll make it not give the mileage, but we'll see if I can get it. There you go. Yeah, it's going to flash a little bit because that's what happens when I'm using a camera. But you can see that the van's got, first off, it's running about out of gas. I'm going to have to have Justin go put some gas in it. The van's only got 105,000 miles on it. Matter of fact, 105.16. That's what's on the van, 105.16. Everything else on the van, radio, AC, is all in good shape. We've had it through our shop, repaired any of the problems that were on it, which one was a harmonic balancer, got that fixed. Wanted you to take a look at this right here. This is, now, understand that if you're wanting a van that is automatic, this is not automatic, this is a manual van. This is for somebody that needs a van, that has somebody that's in a wheelchair that needs to get around, but the person that's in the chair can drive. Now, again, you can take it someplace and you can have controls put on it if you need all that done. Oh, my camera's picking up here, so like I said, I can't see very well. But there you go. You look, I'm going to try to get inside here for you. That's a footrest right there. You can see the seats are in great condition. Inside of the van is in good condition. Dual AC, or what we call front and rear AC. And there's your ramp. Like I said, it's a manual ramp. I'll fold it up here so you kind of get an idea. There we go. And then all you got to do is close the door. Okay. Back at the back, all of your tie downs. Here they are here. Should be 4 of them. And what were those for?
Spare tire covers for the
Spare tire cover.
spares.
Okay. And you'll need a spare. There it is. 2005 Dodge Caravan. It needs a little bit of a cleanup that we're going to be doing on the inside of it. Just getting the inside all cleaned up this week. Giving it a really good bath. Because like I said, it's just been in the shop at the paint booth. So there you go. If you're looking for an ADA van, you don't want to spend a whole lot of money. You're looking for something that's basically just inexpensive right now to get you around. If that's what you need, that's what we've got. 2005. I watched one the other day go on one of the auction houses, and it was at an auction. And that van was just a 2006 with around 60,000 miles on it. This one's got 100,000 miles. It wasn't even an ADA van. It was just a regular van. 2006. I'll probably post a picture of that one. Went for 14,000. I'm going like, whoa. We're not asking near that for this van right here. It's ADA. Thanks for looking. And if you need to see us, we're in Springdale, Arkansas. You can see us on the web at nwamobility.com. That's nwamobility.com. And we're in Springdale, Arkansas at 1125 Jefferson Street. So check us out. Give us a call if you need to. I'll put all that all in the notes. Thanks for looking, and maybe we'll see you out here at NWA Mobility.